Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with a makeup tutorial for today, and today I thought it would be very nice to show you guys my lazy makeup look, or my simple makeup look, or beginner, whatever you want to put it as the title wise. But this is for the days where I don't really want to put on makeup, but then again I want to look presentable. This is like my go-to style of look, and I did this look on one of my vlogs. If you guys are not following me on my vlog channel, which will probably not be my vlog channel, because I've been in the midst and talking to you guys if you guys would like to see vlogs back onto this channel, because this is where it originated at, okay, was this channel. So in the meantime, for Vlogmas, I am vlogging on my other channel. So I did that look on one of my vlogs, and I was complaining about my eyebrows, so I wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing, and the look came out beautiful. I was like, okay, we definitely got to do this look for my beauty channel. And then today was definitely the perfect day to do that, because I was feeling my little funk. I didn't want to put on makeup. I'm actually on my way to work, so I was like, let's do a little quick rundown, simple, on the go, mommy on the go style of look. This look usually takes me about a good 30 to 35 minutes. So I thought I'd come on here and just pretty much show you guys how to achieve this really simple brown neutral look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, then of course keep on watching. Whew, all right, hopefully I can do this tutorial peacefully because my kids is right outside my room. I am going to do a brown smoky eye. So I did this look a couple of days ago. I didn't film it, but I really was like on my lazy kick, and I vlogged about it. I was complaining about my eyebrows, but y'all, the makeup came out so pretty, and I was like, oh, I definitely gotta do this for my beauty channel. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I will say lately I haven't been into like the cut crease, the glitters. Like I've been doing some looks, but I haven't been like really like for them. I've been like into like simple, easy, aka lazy looks, in my opinion, for me, because I'm known for going all out there when it comes to my eyeshadow. So when I don't put that much effort, I feel like it's my lazy way of doing my makeup. But for you guys, it's probably like, oh, these are like easy, beginner friendly style of makeup. So I felt like it's best that I still share these type of tutorials on my channel. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be using my Melissa palette, yes, because that's what I used in that look. So we're gonna do it again today. I really like this palette, so creamy. The only thing I have on my eyelids right now is my e.l.f. primer. I'm gonna take a little bit of Juvia, but I only want to put this on my lid because I don't want my crease to be that vibrant. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my brow bone highlight, and I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty eyeshadow, and this one is called Buzzword. Just going to simply put this underneath the brow bone highlight. Well, it's not really a highlight yet, but where you can see like my concealer, I'm just pretty much going to set that area, so that way I can have like a highlight when it comes to my makeup look. And I do kind of bring this down a little bit more further down, and this way it just makes it easy for whatever color I put in my crease blend a lot better. And as for my crease, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, nice pretty orange brown color. I'm just gonna take this and sweep it right in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with a nice like dark brown, which is this color right here. This one is called Mocha. I'm gonna take Mocha and I'm gonna just pat this on the eyelid. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this color and like put it in my crease, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take that same creasing brush, there's nothing added onto this brush. I'm just going to make sure that the lid and the crease color is going to be actually blended out. I will say, y'all, this eye look is so pretty. It can go with like any lip color, any outfit. So I think this is why this is like my go-to look. I always use like different palettes sometimes, but I felt like this one was definitely like needed to film because I don't know, it just came out so pretty. I like the eyeshadows that's in this palette, and I just love how simple this look is. So like I said, I definitely just want to, you know, continue to bring like beginner friendly looks or just easy, simpler looks, especially for mommies. Because sometimes I be struggling to do like a decent like cut crease or a colorful look because of my kids, because they only give me a limited, and I do me very limited of time to do my makeup before someone starts to holler and it's irritable, tired, nap, all that good stuff. This is pretty much it for the eyes. As you guys can see, it looks so good. I just want to make sure my perfectionist, I have to. I'm just making sure that nothing is like coming off harsh. I am taking my time and make sure that I blend everything together and everything out so it won't appear to look harsh. I'm not putting anything on the brush. I'm just using what's ever left and just mixing it up, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna pop on some liner and lashes, and then I'll come back to do like the bottom lash line. So I did do my face. I would quickly let you guys know what I did for the face. You guys know I always set it with some setting spray. For my primer today, I went in with my BH primer. My foundation, I do have on my Maybelline Radiant foundation. Concealer underneath the eyes, I went in with Born This Way first. And then I wanted just a little bit more inner popper brightness right here. I just went in with my Dose of Color concealer in the shade 24 Dark. As for my bottom lash line, I am going to use a black eyeliner pencil first. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeliner pencil. And I like to do this method first. I feel like it comes on a lot better and it gives me more of that smoky effect. So I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Alright, and then for my eyeshadow for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go with that same brown that I have on the lid. I'm going to pop it at the bottom. And for my inner pop, I'm going to go in with this pretty champagne color right here. Apply it dry. I'm just going to use like a nice eyeshadow pointing brush. Just pop it right in the inner part. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly set the rest of my face so that I can move on to cheeks and lips. So I'm going in with Beauty Bakery to highlight underneath the concealer area. Just this powder that I use all the time. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of mascara, not really that much because I am gonna pop on some falsies. And then from my powder for the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade 40. I just love how this powder just like melts in my skin. Look at that. Y'all see that? Don't sleep on no Maybelline, honey. I'm gonna contour my face with Juvia. This is the Deep Dark Bronzer Duo. For my blush, I'm just going to go in with a blush that's sitting right here on my desk, which is the NYX Crimson Blush. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that onto my cheeks just to warm some more warmth into my face. And as for my lips, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop pencil. This one's in the shade BFF number 4. And then for my lipstick today, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakery Nude Chilla. I love this lipstick, you guys. It's so pretty. All right, so this is pretty much it for the face. I'm going to set my face really quick with my Maybelline. All right, and then the last thing I am going to do is pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like with the lashes on. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I didn't do anything else extra, just applied my lashes off camera, and of course add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lash line. But y'all, this is pretty much my lazy makeup look, my simple, easy on the go makeup look. This makeup look usually takes me about a good, including lashes, I will say 30-35 minutes, depending on my lashes struggle for that day. But this is like my go-to easy type of look, and I really do like it, and I hope you guys like it as well. If you guys would like for me to bring more simple beginner type of looks, or just simpler more looks to my channel, then definitely go ahead and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I don't know, I know I've been uploading kind of a little funky, but I just need a little, you know, a little break and everything like that. But yeah, so until then, I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.